What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. This is part 1 of a part 2 series on my apartment tour and my new apartment tour. So today we're going to check out the first apartment. I only pay $140 a month. Stay tuned for the part 2 where I show you my new apartment and the brand new restaurants that are around there. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, live food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Alright, so this is my front door. It's basically like a 3-story house that's been converted to apartments, I guess. And we'll go in. So here we go, there's the Juliet balcony, my little set. The stairs to go up to the bedroom. My music area. Lots of counter space, one sink. If you watched my CM Reap video, that's the painting I bought. Sit here in the mornings and have your coffee. Go up. There's my Minnie Mouse clothes rack I bought. Probably leave that here. Bed, the desk came with it. You can watch people playing tennis at the country club. And yeah, it's full height up here. Probably like 7 feet. So that was a quick look at the apartment. Now I thought we'd walk around the neighborhood real quick because part of how I got such a good price is if you're in a more local neighborhood, it can be a bit cheaper. It's a bit more interesting too to go for a walk and see how the locals live here. So let's check it out. This is pretty cool. It's a kind of wood fire stove with a chimney. All made from pieces of roofing and stuff. I actually bring my laundry just right around the corner. Behind me here. Costs like $1.25 for everything, for a load. Drop it off and pick it up the next day. But in my new building, if you stay tuned to part 2, in the new building I just go down and leave it with the front desk and then check the next day and they give it back to me, so they outsource it so I don't have to go anywhere. But you'll have to check out part 2 for that. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay tuned for part 2 with the new apartment. And remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.